So here we are in early September and the iPhone 14 series event just recently came and went. As expected, Apple announced new smartphones and the Apple Watch Series 8, but perhaps most notably, we got a new Apple Watch Pro model. Unlike the normal, small, uniform Apple Watches, this one is bigger, way more durable and has a little bump on the right side holding a familiar rotating crown and a side button. But on the left, there's a new action button that should help with controlling your apps while wearing gloves. Yes, a lot of people this Apple Watch Pro is for are likely to be wearing gloves. Let's find out what that's about. So this new Apple Watch Pro is quite impressive. It's made out of titanium, it has a bigger and brighter display than your average Apple Watch and a bigger battery too. In addition to a second button, it also has a second speaker so it can get louder as well. It also has a dual-band GPS system to help explorers navigate through the wilderness more accurately. And there's even a built-in 86 decibel siren for calling help. Here's the scenario. You're an adventurer and you're wearing this Apple Watch Pro, which according to Apple was pretty much made for people like you. You're setting waypoints on your watch as you navigate through an unfamiliar mountain. You have the option to backtrack. Your Apple Watch Pro will guide you back if needed. And yeah, if you unfortunately get hurt or something, you can even trigger the siren, hopefully attracting nearby people to help you out. And whether you're exploring burning hot deserts or icy cold glaciers, you'll be happy to know that this Apple Watch Pro was built to withstand extreme heat or cold. But more specifically, Apple presented this Apple Watch Pro as the perfect accessory for professional divers. It has twice the water resistance of a normal Apple Watch and has been certified as a diving accessory. Can you believe that? The bigger battery we mentioned can last up to 36 hours or even up to 60 hours with upcoming optimization settings, Apple says. So it seems like we'll be getting extra battery saving features too, maybe just for the Apple Watch Pro. Speaking of extra features, let's talk about the new features that all Apple Watches are getting, not just the Pro model, but also the Apple Watch Series 8. Most notably, we're getting a temperature sensor. According to Apple, that one will be helpful in detecting both ovulation and hormonal changes. It'll also be useful for nighttime temperature tracking if you ever want to see what's going on with your body during sleep. Another new feature Apple talked about a lot in their presentation is crash detection. Basically, your new Apple Watch will be able to detect if you're in an unfortunate car accident, it will automatically call the emergency services, give them your location and even alert your emergency contacts. Sounds pretty cool, but hopefully you'll never have to use this feature. So we've talked about the new Apple Watch Pro and the Apple Watch Series 8, but there's one more smartwatch Apple is releasing and it's the budget one, the Apple Watch SE2. That one gets a faster processor over its predecessor, a slightly larger screen, and like the other new Apple Watches, it also gets the crash detection feature. So let's talk prices. The new Apple Watch Pro is available for pre-order and all of its models are $799. All Apple Watch Pro models also come with both GPS and cellular connectivity, and what's different among them is pretty much just the wristband. As for the Apple Watch Series 8, that one starts at $399 for the smallest aluminum 41mm GPS model and goes up to $849 for the stainless steel 45mm GPS plus cellular model. For most people, this would be the Apple Watch to get because it's not only cheaper than the Apple Watch Pro, but sleeker and thinner too. If you're looking for a casual smartwatch for health tracking, workout tracking, or as a fashion accessory, you definitely want to go with the Apple Watch Series 8 because again, the Apple Watch Pro is a rugged boy designed to survive harsh environments. Get that one only if you're an explorer, diver, or a professional athlete who can really take advantage of its features and won't mind its thick design. Last but not least, we have the affordable Apple Watch SE2. That one is best for those looking for simple health tracking or just something affordable yet good looking to wear as an accessory. It starts at only $249 for the GPS model and $299 for the cellular. So there we have them, the new Apple Watches. Apple's most surprising device so far this year has been the Apple Watch Pro and it's looking pretty awesome, so stay tuned for a full review of it coming soon to PhoneArena.com. Subscribe if you haven't, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.